That this is a Seat Ibiza 2005 model, and what we're going to do is we're going to actually change the plugs in this car. So first thing we need is basically a ratchet, an extension, and a 16mm plug socket, and make sure that you have the piece of rubber on the inside to grab around the plug so that it will come up out of the cavity. And you're also going to need a screwdriver. So we take those out of there and we pull off this cover. What's holding this cover on is 4 points, which act as retaining points, and this hose needs to be disconnected. So we pull that out, and then we simply just pull up on the side of this cover, and the same on this side. And here you can actually see the points that retain this cover are here, so 4 points, and this is the area we're going to be working on. And this filler cap needs to come off, so that just twists off. You can leave that down here. And to gain access to the plugs, all you need to do is just loosen up a couple of these cables. So loosen that one off, loosen that one off, just slot the screwdriver in there, head of the screwdriver, and give it a twist, and up she comes. So that will allow you gain access to the plugs. So I'll just get this last one, which is the most difficult one. Actually, there's another one here. Okay, so now we need to take up these, I think they're called coils, ignition coils. So we just pull them up like that, and once these catches are undone, you can put them out. Like that. And last one. Okay. So then we've access to the plugs, which are located here down in the cylinder head. So you can see there's quite a deep cavity. It's best maybe to block up this oil filler, just in case some dirt might get down there. And now we have our socket. We just loosen off each of these plugs. And once you have the piece of rubber, you can see that it grabs around this part of the plug and allows you to pull it out of the cavity. So we'll just keep that down there. Go on to the next one. Another one out. You can see it's quite dirty. Now in some cases you can clean them, it depends on how many miles are on the actual car. But they're not that expensive, so might as well just replace them. Okay. Here we have the new ones. So this is a different type, as you see when I open it up. It is only one leg on it. Same job. It's for this car, for this engine type. It's just a slightly different design. They're interchangeable. You should really gap these, so you can look in the manual to get the proper gap for them. And once you have that, just put it into the socket. Put it back down into the cylinder head. And you don't have to go mad tightening these. By right, you should really get a torque spanner or torque wrench on it. You don't need to swing out them, because generally these are aluminium heads and you could pull the threads out of it. So just be careful. So that's basically it. All you have to do then is put the coils back on. In this case, this one. And that's the job complete. Do the same for the rest of the cylinders, and you've got your plugs changed. So that's it.